That's what I said. Good. Back and go.
You can go on top of the hill and see them.
Nice. Step. Good. Step up.
There you go. Bam. Bam.
There you go. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Block, hit, block, good. Hit, block, hit. Oh. Hit, there you go. That's it. There.
See? Oh, the wrist.
Yeah.
Now from here.
You switch.
Yeah.
Reverse snake. Hit, under, good. And block kick. Boom. There you go.
That's it.
There you go.
That's it.
Good job. You can do it too. Bam. There you go. Hit under. Check.
Do your thing. Get ready. This is coming. Go ahead and clap it out. Hit it. Good. Be ready for this 3 middle cross block. All right.
There you go. Hit. Ricochet. Go under. Boom, boom, boom. And kick. Boom.
Nice.
Bring this up to my wrist. With your left hand, you're going to slide to there. Keep this. This is your.
Nice. Drop that weight into the hip. First hit.
I think they're okay.